Welcome back to Practical Knot. Today we are answering one specific question. How do you securely tie a rope to an object? Whether you are tying a boat to a dock, a hammock to a tree, or a clothesline to a pole, you need an anchor knot. I'm going to show you the three most essential ones: the fast clove hitch, the reliable 2 half-hitches, and the heavy-duty round turn. Let's get straight into it with the fastest one, the clove hitch. The clove hitch is legendary because it is incredibly fast to tie and easy to adjust. It's perfect for temporary tasks. The clove hitch is great, but it can slip if the pole spins. For something more permanent, you need the next knot. Next is 2 half-hitches. This is widely considered one of the most reliable knots for general use. It tightens against the object and won't shake loose. This is a very secure knot, but if you are dealing with a heavy load or a lot of friction, you want the king of anchor knots. This is the round turn and 2 half-hitches. This is the best knot to use if the rope is under tension or carrying a heavy load. Why? Because the round turn takes all the stress, making it easy to tie and untie. This knot will never jam, even after pulling a car or a boat. It is practically bomb-proof. So a quick recap. Use the clove hitch for speed and temporary tasks. Use 2 half-hitches for a reliable, everyday grip. And use the round turn and 2 half-hitches for heavy loads and maximum security. Thanks for watching Practical Knot, and see you next week.